Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I'll tell you how to delete AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your phone, then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen and then enter section My Orders. And here you want to find a specific order that you want to cancel. So tap on it to open its details. And if order is awaiting shipment, you should see Cancel Order button at the bottom side of the screen. So click that button, select Reason for Cancellation, and submit your request. Usually seller needs to approve cancellation, so contacting them directly in chat might speed up the whole process. However, if the item is already shipped, then you cannot directly cancel an order. The best option for you will be to contact seller to discuss cancellation and potential return options. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.